Triggered by snowfall, in the Raincoast Forest, this mother bear is leading her cubs to the safety of a den. Plump on salmon, they will survive here for the next 5 months. Meanwhile, in the Great North Woods, as the temperature plummets, wood frogs freeze solid. Antifreeze in their blood keeps them alive. These painted turtles have just hatched. But they too freeze in their nests until food comes along with the spring. The seasonal forest is in suspended animation. But not all sleeps. Small mammals and birds venture into the cold to search for food. With oily fur resistant to frost, this wolverine is looking for a meal. He may need to travel up to 30 kilometers a day to find it. This moose is roaming its territory. Weighing half a ton and standing up to 2.5 meters tall, this is the largest land mammal in North America. Its long legs are perfectly adapted to walk through deep snow. And for extra insulation, its thick fur is made of hollow hairs. Moose can survive the winter by browsing on barren twigs and bark. White-tailed deer have a much more difficult time. They are adapted to life in warm climates further south. These forests are as far north as they can survive. 1/4 the size of a moose, their small bodies feel the cold. And their short legs make walking in snow treacherous. Beneath conifer trees, the snow is shallower, and the canopy helps to keep the air a few degrees warmer. Despite this, many will succumb to the winter. And those animals that perish provide a crucial...
are actually trees entombed and petrified by minerals dissolved in the water. Hot water scorches and drowns the roots of trees encroaching on the valleys. It can keep the forests in check and the rich pastures open. Those pastures now produce the new grass needed to make rich milk and feed a bison baby boom. The few calves born on the migration are now joined by hundreds of new youngsters. The predators have been waiting for this. Coyotes have a voracious reputation here, but on its own this one is certainly no match for a healthy bison and her calf. Pronghorn give birth to twins, each carefully cleaned to hide their smell from predators. While they are with her, they are relatively safe, and for now the coyote is content with the afterbirth. but the mother pronghorn must leave her calves alone while she grazes, and with legs as wobbly as stilts, their best defense is to lie low. She has young of her own to worry about, a demanding litter of 9 whose arrival has been carefully timed to coincide with an abundance of food. But they are not top dog here. Yellowstone's top predator, the wolf, dominated during the winter, but is far less visible in summer. They prefer to stay close to well-hidden dens to protect their pups from rival packs. This pack seem prepared to allow their young a brief foray to experience the world beyond their den. Even in Yellowstone, it is extremely rare to see wolf pups like this. Before long, they are summoned back into the forest by the pack. It will be winter before they are regularly seen again.